there, everyone! Wondering how eco-friendly, efficient biomass fuel pellets are produced? A standard line in 5 easy steps. First, the raw materials are collected: construction waste, pruned branches, and wood processing scraps, all of which would otherwise be discarded, are excellent raw materials for pellet production. The second stage is the crushing and pulverizing stage. The large pieces of wood are first crushed by the equipment, and then further pulverized into fine sawdust in preparation for subsequent pressing. Third, check the moisture content. If the moisture content of the raw materials exceeds 20%, they must enter the drying process to control the moisture content within the appropriate range so that the pellets will form more stably. The key step is here, feeding the processed sawdust into the wood pellet machine and compressing it into uniform pellets. Finally, cooling and packaging. The warm new pellets are cooled first, then packaged and sealed. Now the biomass fuel pellets are ready.